Hello guys, Igor here, now doing a new AppSumo review. Today analyzing Hide My WP Ghost, a tool that has already more than 160 reviews on AppSumo. And they are back here, and it's pretty simple. It's a WP WordPress plugin that you're going to use to automatically make your website safer. So the tool claims to protect your WordPress site against hacker bots and spammers. It's a one-click button, as you can see here on the print. You click on Start Scan, and they will scan the vulnerabilities of your website. When it's the end, they will take some measures automatically to close the vulnerable paths and make your website safer. So Hide My WP Ghost is a high customizable WordPress plugin that makes it easy to upgrade your site security in minutes and better defend it. The tool and the deal is pretty good. You're gonna get all the features of the WP plugin. However, if you get a single quote, you're going to get 10 websites. With double quotes, you get unlimited websites. And if you get multiple, you get unlimited websites plus white labeling. With white labeling, your client will not know which kind of plugin you are using in their website to make it safer. All the features of the Ghost plan. Let's take a look at the tool. As you can see here, it's a WP plugin. You are seeing it on a WordPress website. When you install the plugin, you're going to click here to run full security check. You're going to see your website like here on the red, and the tool will automatically make their features active to make your website secure. So after you run the full security check, they will active some of the features here. So you can see what kinds of the WP Ghosts are done. Some of them I didn't, so because it conflicted with my website, so I make it inactive. But many of them, as you can see, is active on that website. So customizing security all WordPress paths from hacker bots attacks. Hide the WP common paths. You can also create temporary logins. They hide the WP common files automatically. Disable the external calls to XML, RPC, PHP. You don't need to be technical. The tool will do it automatically after you click on Run Full Security Check. Text mapping, URL mapping, CDN, user event logging, header security, brute force protection, firewall, they will activate it, sitemap security, feed security. You can also disable the right click on the website and disable the copy and paste feature, so you make your content safer. Those are the features of the WP Ghost plugin. Take advantage of the deal on AppSumo. I have added the best link on the description so you can get the best deal. I hope you like that overview. Thank you so much. Bye bye.